Going on, y'all? I'm about to show you how it went down in North Myrtle Beach. Currently I'm the only vehicle out and about on Ocean Boulevard because it is completely underwater. Here, let me show you. The whole boulevard's underwater, and about 90% of the side streets are underwater. I'm out driving around, making sure no one's stranded or don't need anything. Water levels have actually went down from when I came the first time about an hour ago. So for everybody that asked me why in the hell I bought a truck so big, well, now you know. Not that it happens all the time, but at least I'm prepared. Wind is horrible in between these condos and high rises. You get away from them, it's not too bad. Well, he ain't gonna make it through. He got about another 500 feet and he's done. I'm gonna go out the boulevard because there's too much debris. The Weather Channel had to leave the vehicle here because they couldn't get it out of the parking lot earlier because the water was up to the damn halfway up the door. Now don't ask me why you'd ever have one of those for a weather vehicle. It's like pissing in the wind. We'll get on Main Street and see what we got. a lot more vehicles up this way. I didn't see anything open except for Bullnose is still open, just the gas station and the Waffle House, of course. So there you have it. Just some rain and a lot of water. So if anything changes drastically, I'll let y'all know. But everything's good. I'm safe. I don't have any power at the house, so that's why I'm out driving around checking on people. I'll talk to y'all later. Adios, Aguado.